Okay, so I'm back, but um, I'm about to be coding something very different, like off and on. I haven't stopped programming on my thermoforming app, but I want to try something fun, and yeah. So what I'm gonna be building, I'm gonna like ask Claude to walk me through this whole process. But what this is going to be a hoop Tea locator. And I don't know exactly the first step in doing this. I know it's possible. I know I could use data scraping. I know I can use like some type of like geolocation something, like Google Maps. I don't know, but I want to learn how to build it for my own personal use. But yeah. Okay, so let me. Oh, hello. So, sorry. Yeah, I need to find this. I need to have this working and in production so that when I'm out in the wild, I can find some hoop tea. So yeah. Okay. Uh uh ooh fine. Oh yeah, also this is gonna make my typing a little bit worse today. So yeah. Um uh hmm. I don't know exactly how to do like prompt it to start doing something. Uh, ooh, in the wrong folder. Oh, oh, see, I told you my typing was gonna be horrible. Uh, mm, crap, I can't. I literally can't. Crap. Okay. Sure. I think I like that. See if it's actually gonna do it. Did it do it? Hello? It did it. It did it. It's setting it up right now. I want to start opening up in my IDE. Location service. Sure. I don't know what this is gonna look like. See, this is the part I need to learn what this is gonna do. Sure. I wish it didn't do that though. All these like errors and stuff, because it obviously just did it. Whoa, whoa. Who- Wait, wait, wait. What? Wait. Okay. Oh, never mind. Wait. Wait a second. Uh, in the name of. and each object be the name of the. How about that? Don't hate it. I don't know if I would make a file of each hoop location. I don't know. Store wait, store locator component. I don't know what this is gonna say. What? Um. Hmm. Okay. I was gonna say like I may want to reduce it to just Houston for now, but I also like travel. So I mean that would be nice to have it in other cities. So dot service. Okay. Hmm. Map integration. Oh. Oh. What? That doesn't work like that though. I get what it's saying. That doesn't work like. Oh. Never mind. It works that way. I get what that's saying. That's a function called get directions. And you just slap the locations into the Google Maps thing and it gives you the location to the. Oh, okay. Okay. At some point, I'm gonna have to open up the folder though, because working in my root folder isn't gonna work. Plus, I'm not gonna be on for all that long. Sure, make it pretty. Okay. Why is that a signal? Wait, what? Why was that a signal? Okay, okay, okay. Oh, it's not gonna show me. Fine. Is it? It is not. Mm, mm, mm. No, it's not. Okay, 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 okay. Run that. Oops. Let's see. Projects. PD. Hoop. T. Finder. Insert. Why am I doing this? This is trash. Why am I doing this? Let me just open the folder from here. Uh, oh. let's open the entire folder. Open up a term. Oops. Open up a terminal. ng serve. Look at what it looks like right here. I mean, I don't hate it. Wait, it may not work because this is hard coded. So, what's the zip code? Uh, oh, it doesn't do it. Oh, oh, it does. Okay, that's cool. These are hard coded though. Oh, I see what may happen. And okay, where's Claude at? I need Claude. Yes, and it. How about that? Excuse me. As you would with the best results. Hmm. Because that's I'm thinking about it. That's one way to be able to track um where they would be, but I would more or less like to just automatically know where they're sold at rather than all the locations be hard coded. I can hard code them by going to each specific location individually throughout the city or wherever I go and be like, oh, there's a hoop tea here, or there's a hoop tea vendor here. Let me input it here. But sure. But I think it's a lot better to automate that process. But that's the part where I have trouble visualizing how to start. I don't know if it's data scraping. I don't know if it's Google Maps. I truly don't know. What would this be leading to? Oh, that's what it does. Yes. Where's this place at? It's sending me to places in North Carolina. I don't know where this is. Uh, so it isn't a place. Housing authority. Hmm. This isn't even real. I don't know where it got this stuff from, but it isn't real. Oh, this is real. What? Oops. Huh. Hmm. Okay. Anyways, and area. See, hopefully that's the right way to we'll say it. Help it implement. Let me create a plan to with a dynamic system that can find stores automatically. I think that would have to do with using like a Google Maps API. Wait. hmm Several options. Store locators. Many are to have their own. I'd rather have the Google one. Yeah, but even then, if I go to like Google Maps, it doesn't. I don't think that's too reliable because I've done that before. And yeah, where? Oh, okay. Okay. They sell hoop tea at Target. There's no way they sell hoop tea at Hobby Lobby. There's absolutely no way. What is Michael's? Do they even sell? Is there a website? They don't sell beverages, do they? Yeah, this is a craft store. Water. Do they sell like any kind of beverage? No. They sell watercolors. So where is Google Maps getting this stuff from? Valid. Uh, huh. Bullpen pizza. All right, I guess I'm going with API call. Ooh, wouldn't that get expensive though? Also, wait a second. Because the reason why I'm doing this is because this does not work. Uh, yeah. Any pack, whatever, whatever. Uh, and it doesn't. Sure, accept all the cookies, and it doesn't do it. That's the reason why. What the heck is that? What are all these numbers? Hey, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? What's up? Oh gosh, I don't know where to look. This is confusing. It's not that much south. See, Something is off. Places. Oh, I'm building something to find, well, right now, hoop tea. Um, but like in the future, it'll be like all beverages. I'm just starting out. This is my first day doing this. Um, but wanting to find this, they do have one. Um, but yeah, this doesn't work at all. Sure. Oh, a hobby project. I'm not a like full-time software engineer. So I'm not a master engineer, software guru like a lot of the people um in this category. So I just do it because I like it. My bad. My bad. Um, and I'm taking a break from what I normally would build. Um, actually. Okay, wait. Yes. Yes. This is my preferred AI coding assistant. Um, I know other people they prefer Gemini or Codex or whatever or Copilot. I like this one the most. One because I think it just does the best CSS styling. Well, I have the yearly one. Also, I'm not on the like the highest plan. So like I've already paid for it. Um like the monthly equivalent would be like $17 a month. Not that crazy. So yeah. I would have like I tried Gemini. I would have picked Gemini, but at the time, Gemini was like I think it still is it large in terms of tokens? Like context tokens or like each time I'm prompting it tokens? But yeah, I feel like Gemini it doesn't do what you want it to do. Prompt tokens? I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. Oh, like how many I can do per day? I can do a lot. And it resets every like 5 hours. So like I can have a coding session and then come back and be just fine. Like I've ran into rate limits before, but by that time I was kind of done coding. So or you at least like prompting. So yeah. Yeah, I don't have any issues. And I'm on the I guess that would be the base plan or whatever is what I'm on. So I don't know. I feel like people talk about how expensive it is if they're using the API. I think that's when people talk about how Claude is expensive more than like ChatGPT or Gemini. Yeah, which makes sense. I don't blame them. It makes sense. But everything really is contextual because like it makes sense to push AI as an obligation, but also to see the results of pushing AI as an obligation, you should probably require or provide like AI like prompt. engineering classes or some type of education for your employees to get the most out of AI rather than just saying like here, just use AI. That would make sense. But I don't feel like companies would probably do that. They would just be like, here, use AI. Everyone's using it. Have fun. So, let me think about how to prompt this. Actually, instead of doing that, I think I might not hard code it in a JSON object. I may just make um Firebase things with it. Put it in a Firebase collection, each location. And I may use Google Maps API and put those locations on a map. Or I could just use this existing code right here. Where is it? The, no, wait. Yeah, no. Nope. This one right here. I didn't think that this was going to be a thing, but yeah, you can just click this button and get sent straight to Google Maps. Oh. See, I'm not that far into N8N. Like, I don't know. Probably should. But I'm still kind of like a caveman. A large part of me still liked hard coding things or manually coding things. Oh, I don't get billed up by it because I'm not using the API. I have an API key, but I'm not using the API for this Claude code. I just have a rate limit. Mm, yeah. I'm more of a subscription person, not an API person. I feel like API is like a per usage thing, and it will probably make me not want to use it. My mind is weird like that. So I'd rather just pay the however much it is a month. And then if I run into a rate limit, cool. If I don't, cool. And probably because I'm using the subscription model rather than the API model is probably more expensive with like less usage. So that's how they try to like deter people from using it as much is by like making it more expensive and driving people towards like a subscription model. So yeah. Uh, uh, musician GPT for Python project with really? Huh. Huh. That's cool. Oh no. Well, I guess. I want to start getting away from Angular Fire. I don't know. I know that's like specifically made for this, but I'd rather just use the regular SDK. What the heck? Sure. Oh, I haven't made it yet. Whoops. That's probably why. And this is where I get leaked. Oh. Oh, cool. Unfortunately, I'm not a Python programmer because I like brackets. So that's my bad. I like JavaScript too much. Even though this is TypeScript, I like JavaScript too much. And I know it's kind of weird to say because people always hate JavaScript, but mm, it's cool to me. Oh, see, I'm not that advanced. uh, there we go. Mm, 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 mm. How is that? What is your main programming language? I wanted to look at that. What does that mean? Hmm. Okay. New location. Toggle add form. Reset new location. Okay. Mm. That should be like its own component, but I'll do that later. Oh, what is most of your time spent doing, if you don't mind me asking? If not coding. I was about to say, where's that other bracket at? Mm, dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, also, I was looking at doing like embedded systems and stuff like that because I work in like manufacturing and it would make sense for me to learn programming that way. But I was confused on if I should learn C, C++, or Python as a main language. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Hmm. Well, best of luck to you. Huh. Do you have any companies in mind that you would like to work for? Mm, hmm. That's smart. I agree. Hmm. But like growing up, you never had any companies that you like aspired to work for? Yeah, switch around. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That was abstracted. Cool. Okay. Okay. Wait a second. I have a question then. Um, if you have this kind of mindset, are you already in California? If you, it, well, I don't know if that's like TMI or anything, but like if you're looking for like VC backing, California would be like the best place to be, you know? Wait a minute. Let me open up Firebase. No. Okay. Mm, I can't see anything. Hmm. Why Canada? Mm, 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 hmm. I don't know the Canadian economy like that, but I thought they were like currently in a recession. Maybe that's old, but I thought they were gonna. Ooh. Here it is. Mm. Okay, so these are hard coded. Cool. I'm not used to using SAS. Oh, crap. Crap. Um, I'll say this. After this Claude finishes what it's doing, I'm gonna have to get off because Thursday night football. But if you're interested, will give you this. Um, if you want to follow, you can. If you don't, no pressure. But is that still valid? Hold up. Sorry, hold up. Oh yeah, it is. All right, cool. So, if you want to join, you can. Um, I try to stay active in there. I've been doing an okay job, I believe. Um, but yeah, I think I'm back to coding pretty regularly. So you'll probably see me online um pretty soon. Pretty soon. So yeah. But thank you for joining. Oh, thank you for following as well. My stream notifications are broken. So like sorry, there's no like razzle dazzle or any like pop-ups showing on the screen. I apologize for that, but you are appreciated. Hmm. But America is even bigger. Maybe I'm spewing some American propaganda. I don't know, which is terrible. But I mean, there's money here. There's like this is like the land of corporations and stuff. True. Well, that's not very capitalistic friendly. Um Russia does not like capitalism. I'll tell you that much. If you want to be an entrepreneur in Russia, sorry, man. Sorry. Yeah. You better have some good connections with Putin because that's not working. That's not gonna work. Okay, I think this works now. Whoa. All the text looks nice and everything. Let me look. Hold up. And this is why I like Claude so much. Okay, so what this is gonna do is like once I start inputting stuff here, um, it's gonna show up right here. And I like that. I like it a lot. What does ad form look like? Okay, what the heck? I don't know anything about that. But um yeah. I'm going to watch Thursday night football. So I'll be back. I don't want to say tomorrow because I don't know if I'll be back tomorrow. But yeah, I'll be back. In the meantime, don't forget to spread positivity, be a good person and everything. And yeah. And you're very smart. So stay on your journey of like what you've already planned out. So yeah, networking, being a network admin is on your horizon. So oh, thank you. I'll see you in there. I'll see you in there. I don't have it open on my computer right now, but when I get on my phone, I'll be on there. So yeah, but I'm getting off. Thanks for watching. Peace. Oh wait, wait, come on. Do it. Do it. You got it. Hello? This was it the band-aid?